Hi everyone, this is the challenge walkthrough for formatting text. The first thing it has us do is it has us open our practice document. So I did that already, but this time what I did is I left this up here so you guys could see this. Make sure that you always click on enable editing or you will not be able to edit anything. Like if I try to delete, it won't do anything. So click on enable editing. That's a common issue that a lot of students have. So what it has us do first is it has us scroll to page 2. So you'll notice that if we scroll down a bit, it takes us to this other page. This is our page 2. We want to select the words for rent. You see right here where it says for rent? Okay. And we want to change the font size to 48 point. So remember, when we want to select for rent, we can just left click and drag over the word for rent. Okay, and now what we can do is we can use this this tool up here to change our font size. So I can click on that and just move down to where it says 48 and then click on that. See, so we have a 48 point font now. Now with the text still selected, change the font to Franklin Gothic Demi. So it says if we don't see that text in our list, we can choose something else. So let's see if we have that. So it's Franklin Gothic Demi. So how we do that is we have this still selected, so we're okay. We don't have to touch it. We can go over here to where it says font. You see where my mouse is up here? Click on that. And let's scroll down because they're in alphabetical order. We can scroll down Franklin Gothic Demi. So there we are. So now I went ahead and did that. Now I'm going to change, it says to change the case command. I use the change case command to change the for rent to uppercase. Okay. So you see if we highlight over this, this is the change case command. So I can click on that and I can change it to uppercase right here. So now there we go. So now we have it as uppercase. Now it wants us to change the color of the words for rent to gold, accent 4. So the font color is right here. So if I click on this little arrow pointing down right next to that font color area, we want to look for gold accent 4. Is that this one? Yeah, here we go. Gold accent 4. So we selected that one. So on this, we see that there is a highlight on the phone number right here. So what we can do is we want to remove that highlight because maybe that was something that we wanted to make note of for later, but we don't need that anymore. So we're gonna go and highlight over that, and we can go up here to where we have this highlight option. It looks like a little pin. If you move your mouse over it, let me go and do that again. If I move my mouse over it, it says text highlight color. So I'm going to click on that and choose no color. You see that? How it changes color as you move over them. And then down here it says no color. So we're going to select that one. Now, we want to select all of the text from for rent all the way down to the phone number. All right? And it says it wants us to center align this. So for me, my screen's kind of squeezed, but you're going to look for this. If you have it all the way open, fully open, then you'll see that it's in the paragraph command section, command group. So you'll see here there's a center option. This is left, this is center, this is right, and we want the center option. So we're going to click on that. You see that? So now we've done all that, we've center aligned it, and it wants us to italicize the text in the paragraph below about Via Pina. So it looks like down here is what they're talking about. So what we want to do is we want to go to this Via Pina, or Pina. So go right there, highlight that text. Now we have options, right? We can use this option up here to click on the I to italicize it, but we can also just do a Control I. Control I will italicize something. Control, if you ever want to bold something, Control B will bold something, and Control U will underline something. So we're just doing italicize right now. And just so you guys know, one other thing, you've probably seen this a couple times now, but when you highlight a certain selection, you get this little like a toolbar here, so you can just move there and italicize it too, or change your font size, or whatever you want to do. Okay, so that's something else you can do as well. So there we are. So we've italicized that, and now it says it should look like below. So let's just double check our work. So we have our for rent. Theirs looks a little bit brighter yellow than mine, but we picked the correct color, I believe. Let me make sure. Gold accent 4, right? Yeah, gold accent 4. So yeah, we're doing it right. It's just for whatever the color looks different on my screen. And so we removed the highlight. Everything's center aligned. And we italicized the last part. Yeah, so we did it. So that is the challenge. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in class, and I'd be happy to help you out. All right, have a good one.